Hello everybody, good morning, good evening to everyone who's watching this video. It's me Vichy Kevin and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can sign up for Payoneer. So for those people who do not know Payoneer is basically like PayPal. If you guys have ever used PayPal, you guys can pay and get money from other people using PayPal. Payoneer is also the same thing. You can pay other people using Payoneer and receive money from other people from Payoneer as well. That's an option as well. So that's basically the short description of Payoneer. If you guys need to know more about it, you can visit their official website to know more about it. So let's get right into the video. But before I show you guys how you guys can sign up for Payoneer, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. Let's jump right into the video. You want to search for Payoneer, sign up. After you search for Payoneer, sign up, you want to click on where it says sign in to your Payoneer account. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the login page of Payoneer. Once you're over here, if you guys have an account, fill up the information, log in into your account. But if you do not have an account, you want to click on sign up over here. After you click on sign up, it's going to take you to the sign up page of Payoneer. Now over here, you want to enter why you want to create your account. If you are an individual, vacancy, retailer, choose the option which you want. So let's say I'm an individual. I'm going to click on individual. What am I looking for? I'm looking for an order, a prepaid card, or get paid by international client or marketplace. You can choose whichever option you want. I'm going to choose this. After this, you want to click on register. Once you click on register, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can register for Payoneer. Once you're over here, you want to fill up the form. So let me fill up the form real quick. After entering the information over here like this, you want to click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to take you to another page. Over here, you want to enter the information like your contact detail and everything over here, like your number and other stuff. After entering the number, it's going to send a verification code to your phone number, and after enter the verification code sent to your phone number, you want to click on next. After you click on next, it's going to take you to the security detail page where you guys can enter the security detail, and after that basically it's going to ask you for other information, and after entering all the information it asks you properly and correctly, then basically you guys will be able to sign up for Payoneer. So that's basically how you guys can sign up for Payoneer. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer, guys. And for those people watching this video until the end, thanks for watching the video until the end. It's me, Vichy Kevin, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.